Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to TechInsight Daily, your go-to source for the latest in technology news. Today, we have an exciting development in the world of robotics and automotive manufacturing. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our daily tech insights. Let's get started. Our top story today involves the marriage of cutting-edge robotics and automotive giants. BMW has recently signed a commercial agreement with the robotics startup Figure to introduce humanoid robots into its manufacturing facility in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Figure, a robotics startup, is set to bring its general-purpose humanoid robots to the heart of BMW's operations. These robots are designed to automate difficult, unsafe, or tedious manufacturing tasks, aiming to increase productivity, reduce costs, and create a safer working environment. Brett Adcock, the CEO of Figure, expressed his excitement about the collaboration, stating, "Single-purpose robotics have saturated the commercial market for decades, but the potential of general-purpose robotics is completely untapped." This move by BMW comes at a time when other automotive giants like Honda and Hyundai have also been exploring the possibilities of walking robots. Tesla, not to be left behind, unveiled its second-generation Optimus robot last December, while Amazon is currently testing Agility Robotics' Digit robot in its US houses. The BMW manufacturing facility in South Carolina is a crucial player in the automotive industry. It's the company's only US-based plant, assembling around 1,500 X-Series and XM-Series vehicles daily. With approximately 11,000 employees, it holds the title of the largest automotive exporter in the US by value, boasting an export value of $9.6 billion. While the specifics of the partnership remain undisclosed, Figure's humanoid robots will initially be deployed in small quantities. According to Figure CEO Brett Adcock in a Reuters report, this deployment will increase if the robots meet performance targets. The deployment timeline is expected to be flexible, allowing Figure to train the robots for specific tasks. Integration into BMW's manufacturing processes could take anywhere from 12 to 24 months. This collaboration between BMW and Figure Robotics signifies a step forward in the integration of robotics into real-world manufacturing. As we witness the automotive industry embracing general-purpose robotics, it opens up new possibilities for increased efficiency and safety in manufacturing processes. That wraps up our Tech Insight for today. What are your thoughts on humanoid robots entering automotive manufacturing? Do you think this is the future of production lines? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and subscribe for more insightful tech updates. This is TechInsight Daily, signing off. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech-savvy.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.